Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Credit Kudos by Apple. Open Banking Review My Usage Experience. Credit Kudos by Apple. Open Banking Review My Usage Experience offers a credit score assessment and report using open banking data. Its main purpose is to provide users with a clearer understanding of their creditworthiness, helping them make informed financial decisions, such as applying for loans or credit cards. The target audience is individuals who want to improve their financial literacy and monitor their credit health. Key features appear to include credit score calculation, personalized recommendations, and possibly credit report insights. Their website provides details on the specifics. Credit Kudos leverages open banking technology to access and analyze your financial data securely and efficiently. The service prides itself on transparency, though specific pricing details might need to be checked on their website. Ease of use and the accuracy of the credit score are its primary selling points. Availability likely depends on your bank's participation in open banking initiatives. You can check their website to see if your bank is supported. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Credit Kudos by Apple. Open Banking Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly straightforward. I linked my bank account through the secure open banking process, which took less than 5 minutes. The interface was clean and easy to navigate. The dashboard clearly displays my credit score, along with a breakdown of factors influencing it, like my spending habits and credit utilization. I was really impressed by how clearly this information was presented. I could also see recommendations tailored to help me improve my score, such as advice on managing my debt. The entire process was quick, the results were available almost instantly. I had a quick question about a specific metric displayed, and their support responded within 2 days via email, not the fastest, but perfectly adequate. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Everything had to be done through the website. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Credit Kudos. It provided valuable insights into my credit health, presented clearly and concisely. The standout feature for me was definitely the personalized recommendations, giving actionable steps to improve my score. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and I'd recommend it to anyone looking to better understand their creditworthiness. That's my overview of Credit Kudos by Apple. Open Banking Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.